Good morning, children. Welcome to social science class. In the previous class, we discussed about the First World War and its causes. Today, we are going to discuss about the aftermath of the war, that is, the impact or the result of the First World War and the important events which took place after the war. First of all, we can discuss about the impact of the First World War. The First World War, which took place in 1914 to 1918, produced far-reaching impacts on both the victorious and the failed nation. These are as follows. First point, over 10 million people lost their life or were injured in the war. That is, huge number of people died and injured. Second point, agriculture, industry and communication system were destroyed. Third point, poverty, unemployment and inflation increased. Fourth point, economic dominance of Europe diminished. That is, Europe occupied economic dominance in the world. That economic domination of Europe diminished. Next, liberation movement in Asia and Africa strengthened. Liberation movement means freedom struggles in the Asian and African colonies strengthened. Last one, in a bid to bring about peace in the world, the League of Nations was formed. That is, in order to avoid a war in future, an international organization known as League of Nations was formed. These were the important impact of the First World War. Number of films which tells the story of First World War released on that period. Grand Illusion, one of the best war film, directed by Jean Reynaud, tells the story of French prisoners during the First World War. The prints of Grand Illusion were destroyed by the Nazis but were discovered later. Another film, All Quiet on the Western Front, directed by Louis Milestone and Stanley Kubrick's Paths of Glory, are visual manifestation of the First World War, which means that a number of war films released on that period. Did you remember the member nations in the military alliances who participated in the First World War? Was Britain a member of military alliances? Yes, Britain, a member of Triple Entente, participated in the First World War. Since India was a colony of Britain, India also participated in this war. Its best example, India Gate in Delhi, which was built in the memory of soldiers who lost their life in the First World War. Nearly 80,000 soldiers who were killed during the First World War. Its original name was All India War Memorial. Number of events which took place in the world after the First World War. Among these, the most important one, the peace efforts. A peace conference was convened at Paris in 1919 to discuss the war situation under the leadership of Victorious Group. The Paris Peace Conference was in 1919. They signed different treaties with the defeated nations, such as the Treaty of Saint-Germain, Treaty of Sèvres, and the Treaty of Versailles. The most important among them was the Treaty of Versailles, signed with Germany in 1919. The important provisions of this treaty are as follows. First one, German colonies were divided among the victorious powers. Germany, at the time of the First World War, occupied different colonies. These colonies were divided among the victorious powers. Second one, Germany was forced to pay a huge amount as war indemnity. War indemnity means compensation. That is, in the name of the war, huge amount of money wasted by the nations. So Germany should pay this amount to the respective nations. That is, Germany was forced to pay a huge amount as war indemnity. The third provisions of this treaty was the Allies occupied the rich mines of Germany. That is, the victorious group occupied the rich mines of Germany. Fourth provision, war guilt was imposed on Germany. That is, Germany was responsible for the war. That guilt imposed on Germany. The last provisions of this treaty was disarmament of Germany. The disarmament of Germany means the number of soldiers was restricted. The production of tanks, submarines, warplanes, etc. were not allowed. This is known as disarmament of Germany. If we analyze the provisions of Versailles Treaty, we can find that all the provisions of this treaty was against Germany. So the Treaty of Versailles was an example of the vengeance against the defeated nations. Vengeance means hatred or revenge. Another event which took place in the world after the First World War was the economic depression. Now let us discuss about the reason of this depression that originated in America. The First World War, which took place mainly in the European nation, not in America. The European nations managed to get loans from USA. American dollar overtook British pound as the basis of foreign exchange holding. Do you know about exchange rate? What is exchange rate? Yes, the rate at which currency of one country exchange for the currency of another country is called exchange rate. What is exchange rate? The rate at which currency of one country exchange for the currency of another country is called exchange rate. Up to the First World War, British pound was considered as the basis of foreign exchange rate. But after the First World War, US dollar overtook British pound as the basis of foreign exchange holding. What is the change happened after the First World War? Before the First World War, British pound was considered as the basis of exchange rate, but after the First World War, US dollar considered as the basis of exchange rate. Thus, America emerged as a new economic power. How did USA emerged as a global economic power in the world? First one, First World War took place in European countries, not in USA. Second point, European powers managed to get loan from USA. Third point, American dollar overtook British pound as the basis of foreign exchange holding. Because of all these reasons, US emerged as a global economic power. The economic growth of USA did not last long. Though capitalism had gained much, majority of the people were suffering from starvation. In the last year, we studied that in a capitalist economy, capitalist always aims at maximum profit. That is why they always gave less wages to the workers. That is why the income of the workers become very less. Though production was increased by the use of science and technology, the people had no purchasing power because of their lack of income. On one side, economic growth in America because of high production, but on the other side, one half of the families were starving. The share markets were crashed, which led to economic crisis. The cultivators could not sell their product. They lost their land also. This is known as Great Depression. The crisis, which originated in America, spread to the rest of the world. Dear students, please remember that Great Depression characterized by high production, low purchasing power because of low wages to the workers, unsold stock of the commodities, unemployment, poverty, starvation, etc. Now let us discuss about the impact of this economic crisis. That is, the impact of the Great Depression of 1929. People who became pauper means very poor, because of war, couldn't afford the commodities. That is, the poor people couldn't afford the commodities. The second point is, goods were kept unsold in factories. Third point, European nations failed to repay their debt to USA. That is, in the previous part we seen that USA gave loans to the European nations. These European nations now failed to repay their debt to USA. Banks collapsed. Because of the lack of repayment, banks collapsed. Inflation became uncontrollable. Then acute unemployment and poverty. These are the impact of economic depression. Once again, the impact of the economic depressions are as follows. People who became pauper because of the war couldn't afford the commodities. Goods were kept unsold in factories. European nations failed to repay their debt to USA. Banks collapsed. Inflation became uncontrollable. Acute unemployment and poverty. To overcome this crisis, the European nations adopted a strategy of imposing heavy tax on the colonies. That is, to overcome the economic crisis, European nations planned to collect tax from the colonies. Therefore, the economic crisis of the imperialist nations became a burden to the colonies. Why? Because colonies compelled to pay tax to the European nations to overcome their economic crisis. Thus, today we discussed about the impact of the First World War, the important provisions of Versailles Treaty, the reason for the origin of economic depression in USA, and the impact of this economic depression. Thank you.